Hey guys, KD6 here, metal detecting in Alaska. I've got my metal detector all broke down and all my other metal detecting gear in my backpack. I'm about to take off and on the trail bike and go explore some trails and look for some gold rush cabins. Come on along. Alright, so one of the first things we want to do is get prepared. Remove all glasses. One of the most important things in our arsenal today is bug spray. We call it bug dope here in Alaska. What you want to do is take all your glasses off, and then you just want to soak yourself All right, let's put our detector together. So let's, I just stopped here at an old gold rush cabin site that I've been to before. We detected around the cabin, but we never detected anywhere else. So I'm gonna do that today, see if we can't find some good relics, some cans, and maybe some bottles. So let's put this detector together. Definitely need this. Well, I'm sure glad I brought my hiking shoes. These are a lot more comfortable than these motocross boots. I'm in the right spot. There's some old car parts, an old wash tub, remnants of an edge of a cabin there. And as I walk down this way, check this out. A little bit more evidence. Now over that way was a mine shaft, so we're gonna stay away from that. But here you can see the corner of another part of this cabin. Oh, look at there. First can of the day. Sweet. Let's keep looking and see what we can find here. Man, that's all that's left to the edge of this cabin. You could easily miss that if you weren't looking for it. Well, another old can. I'm on the right track, I think. All right, next target. Looks like some kind of car part. Weird, because I just found the same exact thing, so must be a part to something. keep looking. I just found the remnants of a can, so maybe I'm onto some cans here. We'll have to keep looking. Well, just found another can. It's interesting. It's short. Sweet. Let's keep looking. Well, it never fails. I always find those old rusty nails. That thing was hard to find too. Let's keep looking. Well, next target, a pipe fitting. Well, I found another, what I think is a car part. Who knows, might be something for steam. Some kind of big strap. All kinds of old scrap laying around. Check this out. There's a corner of the log cabin. That's pretty cool. Well, I found another can. Sweet. Wish I could find some bottles. Dug up another can. And it looks like a Pabst Blue Ribbon beer. Pretty sweet. And another old can there. Found this old mine shaft. Stay away from that. Old trees. Well, trying to find my way back to the bike. Alright guys, that's probably going to do it for me today. I've walked a couple miles through all these thick woods, dug up a whole bunch of targets, and I showed you the best. So anyways, I'm going to get ready for the ride home. It's going to feel good getting that cool air blowing on me. It's 80 degrees here today, supposed to be over 85 tomorrow. So I'm going on a hunt with Daniel Camacho tomorrow, and to a place where he's found 6 silver dollars. So hopefully I'll find one. Alright guys, till next time, good luck and happy hunting. The bottle I was looking for. The other one I had was broke, so I wanted to get this one, which is in good shape. Sweet!